Welcome dear students, I am Mr. Abhijit. In this session we will see multiple choice questions on preparation of alkenes. There are different preparation methods by which alkenes are prepared and we are going to see the questions behind the particular preparation reactions. So let us see one by one. So the first question, alkenes on heating with nickel oblique H2 at high pressure forms corresponding alkanes. The type of reaction is, the options are A. Reduction, B. Oxidation, C. Substitution, D. Elimination. And the correct answer is A. Reduction. Conversion of alkenes to alkanes is nothing but the reduction reaction. This is catalytic reduction. Here the addition of hydrogen takes place across the carbon-carbon double bond. Question number 2. Alkyl halides on reduction in presence of zinc HCl gives, options are A. Alkenes, B. Alkanes, C. Dihalides, D. Haloalkanes. And the correct answer is B. Alkanes. So X atom, nothing but the halogen atom, is replaced by hydrogen and that reaction is called as the reduction reaction. So the alkyl halides on reduction produces the alkanes. Next question, question number 3. Two alkyl halides are combined in presence of sodium diether to form higher alkanes. The name of reaction is, and the options are A. Williamson synthesis, B. Woods synthesis, C. Grignard's reaction, D. Dehydrohalogenation reaction. And the answer is B. Woods synthesis. Now this reaction is also called as Woods coupling. In this reaction, preferentially even alkanes are prepared, means the carbon atoms which are in even number. Next question, question number 4. Grignard's reagent form alkanes. The type of reaction is, options are A. Hydroxylation reaction, B. Halogenation, C. Dehalogenation, D. Hydrolysis. The correct answer is, it is hydrolysis, because Grignard's reagent are highly reactive. They on hydrolysis gives alkanes. Question number 5. Reagent used for following conversion is. So this conversion, the reaction is given here. Alkene get converted into alkane. So this reaction is nothing but the reduction reaction. The options are given: A. Sodium diether, B. Zinc oblique HCl, C. RMgX H2O, D. H2 oblique nickel heat. And the correct answer is H2 oblique nickel heat. This is catalytic reduction and the addition of hydrogen across the carbon-carbon double bond takes place, and the reaction is also called as catalytic hydrogenation. For this reaction, Raney-nickel, nickel, palladium, platinum are also used as a catalyst. Next question, compound A on reduction in presence of twice H2 Raney-nickel at high temperature and pressure gives ethane. What is compound A? So here the reaction is nothing but the reduction reaction by using two molecules of hydrogen atoms. Therefore, obviously it is the conversion of triple bond to single bond. Therefore, the answer is nothing but the A. Acetylene. This acetylene is also called as ethyne, that is carbon triple bond carbon, CH triple bond CH. It is alkyne, therefore 2 moles of hydrogen are used. Question number 7. The reagent used for following conversion is, reaction is given here, that is methyl halide gives methane. The options are given: A. H2 oblique PD, B. Twice H Zn oblique HCl, C. RMgX diether, D. Sodium ether. So the answer is twice H, means nascent hydrogen, Zn/HCl. This reaction is nothing but the reduction reaction in which alkyl halides are converted into alkanes. Question number 8. Characteristic of Wood's reaction is. The options are given. It gives alkanes. B. It gives alkanes of 2 carbons. C. It gives alkanes of odd number of carbon atoms. And D. It gives alkanes of even number of carbon atoms. So the speciality of Wood's reaction is it gives alkanes of even number of carbon atoms. The Wood's reaction produces the alkanes of even number of carbon atoms. Here 2 moles of Rx, that is alkyl halide, are reacted in presence of sodium and dry ether. Question number 9. Ethyl magnesium bromide on hydrolysis gives. Options are A. Ethyl bromide, B. Ethane, C. Ethene, D. Bromoethane. So the correct answer is ethane, because ethyl magnesium bromide is nothing but the Grignard's reagent, which on hydrolysis in presence of water gives alkanes. Question number 10, that is the last question. Compound A on reaction with magnesium dry ether gives ethyl magnesium bromide, which on hydrolysis produces B. What is A and B? A on reaction with magnesium in dry ether, that is nothing but the preparation of Grignard's reagent. Here Grignard reagent of this ethyl magnesium bromide is prepared. That's why the A is nothing but the ethyl bromide. And hydrolysis of this ethyl magnesium bromide gives ethane. That's why the answer is D. A is nothing but the ethyl bromide and B is nothing but the ethane. The reaction is alkyl halide to alkyl magnesium halide and then alkane. So with this, we conclude this session. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please post in comment section. For more notes and videos, visit the website given over here. Thank you.